Today we're whipping up a quick, tasty, fancy-sounding snack that's way easier than it looks. A rich, creamy filling meets the tangy sweetness of sun-dried tomatoes, all tucked into flaky crescent dough for a savory and satisfying bite. Grab a pan and sauté the aromatics, onions, and garlic in a little olive oil. Then add the spinach. Incorporate it really well and place a lid on the pan. Do this for several minutes until it's wilted. Now add the chopped artichokes and sun-dried tomatoes. Mix until well incorporated and cooked. For the creamy part, we are combining vegan cream cheese, sour cream, nutritional yeast, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes for a little spiciness. Mix in the artichoke mixture and combine well. This will be your creamy filling. Next, grab that puff pastry and lay it out flat. Pinch the perforated seams of the triangles as well as you can. Cut it into 24 2-inch squares. Pop each square into a mini muffin tin, and don't worry if they look a little messy or oddly sized. Rustic is a good look for these cups. Spoon your spinach artichoke mixture into each pastry cup with about 1 teaspoon or 2 of the creamy mixture. Slide these into the oven for about 12-15 minutes, or until the pastry's golden and crispy. And there you have it, golden little pastries with creamy spinach artichoke filling and those sun-dried tomatoes. So, whether you're hosting or just treating yourself, these little cups of joy will have everyone wanting more of them. Give these a try. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching.